Alright YouTube, here comes part 2 of the coal train. As you saw, I just did the stuff inside. They got the coal train moving again. So, I don't know what the holdup was there. It was just something going on. I guess somebody had track authority or something like that. But the coal train is moving again. Let me move over here so you can get a better shot of it. And there it is right there. Yeah, he's on the move again. On the move again. So whatever it was something probably minor, maybe to let Amtrak go ahead. Oh look! Ballest Regulator, it's a track gang. Check that out. Just got a ballast regulator on the CNO side. Pretty neat. That's pretty neat. It is a track gang working here on the CNO. Pretty neat. Got another 2-for-1 deal, and I think he's going to stop again because of all the track work that's going on. We're trying to move down the triple crossover. Let's see if we can get some more shots of some of these trains up here. Alright, I will go ahead and end the video there. Alright, thanks for watching.